In the past, you needed to export many views of your SketchUp model, then organize and arrange them into a presentation. Now that one model is brought into Layout, and unlimited views are created on the fly based on your presentation needs. Use the work you've invested into SketchUp to suit whatever presentation will best show off your design. Print your SketchUp designs with exact line weights and large format printing. Leverage your efforts in Layout with printed documents, PDFs for easy communication and sharing, or even slideshow presentations with live annotation marks that can be saved to your file for later review. So many of the things you love about SketchUp carry over to Layout, from display settings to shadow control. No need to worry about changing your SketchUp designs either, as changes to the model are carried into Layout and all the work you've done in creating your presentation is instantly updated. You can even apply the new sketchy effects and watermark feature in Layout. We took the same approach to Layout that we used with SketchUp. Give our users a small but powerful toolset so it is fast and easy and extremely capable. Create templates to provide consistent design and logo treatments across multiple files. The scrapbook feature allows you to capture and reuse both common symbols and style treatments. Scrapbooks and templates can be shared with all of your collaborators to unify design. Furthermore, you can save your work as unique templates to streamline your work. From flowcharts to formal productions, the tools are quick to learn, simple to use, and we think darn fun too. If you think SketchUp lets you share your ideas in amazing new ways, you will be amazed again at how easy Layout is to use, how powerfully it complements SketchUp, and how it will become the next indispensable tool in your workflow.